Hi, Subhash.
Yeah, hi Viresh. Uh, Sorry, but today we are planning to cancel today's meeting because we don't have any agenda item today, and we had planned to discuss on the impact analysis, so that use case from the Bernard, and Bernard seems not available, so we are planning to cancel today's meeting.
Yeah, sure.
Uh,
This meeting is for service assurance, right?
right, Viresh.
Okay, fine.
So
Thanks.
Viresh, was it the first meeting for you? Is it?
Yeah, this is the first meeting for me. I'm from Capgemini.
Okay.
Planning to contribute on this area.
Okay, sure, Viresh. So if you are interested, we are started detailing out the impact analysis use case. So we are looking for more details so that means we could have effective discussion on it, and we are also trying to prepare the user story for R3. So that's why means like we are trying to collect more inputs and to discuss with the wider audience. So that we are trying to that, and yeah, today unfortunately Bernard somehow due to his personal reason, I think he's not able to join. So we thought better to skip today's meeting, and let's discuss on the next meeting. And yeah, if you would like to contribute, we have shared all the contents over the Slack channel, and you can go through that, or if anything needed, yeah, definitely you can connect over the Slack channel.
Sure, sure.
Yeah. Hi, Tom.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Tom. How are you? Thank you.
Pretty good. I'm at KubeCon during this
You've
week,
gone,
but
I don't, yeah. So yeah, we today on the Slack I just shared some times back that we would cancel today's meeting. Bernard is not available, and we wanted to discuss more details on the impact analysis. And I think still we need more information and more details, so that means we can discuss with everyone. So with
yeah,
that,
yeah.
yeah. Um, uh, so tell, do you have time sometime later so that means we can connect and discuss that use case? Is what exactly we should focus and how exactly what details are needed? Actually, I was checking with the banner, but yeah, that day somehow the time is mismatch happened on last Friday.
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
Mm, so any good time for you? Like somewhere. Uh,
Uh, we can discuss on Slack maybe with Bernard and see what's a good time for everybody.
okay, sure. That will do it. Because once we are able to agree on some concrete data, some concrete details, I think it will be good to discuss with the Vim, our Stephen. These are all wider community. So, so that was my thought actually.
Yeah,
Okay.
my idea is that we don't
Mhm.
have to be too organized about it. I think different people in the group here who are interested can each suggest use cases with as much
Mhm.
detail as possible. And
Yeah.
yeah, we'll create a little repository of potential use cases, and then we can examine each of them and see which is more practical to do, which is maybe less controversial. I'm not really sure why, but this group
Yeah.
is being a little bit controversial. Some people are very
Yeah.
afraid we're kind of expanding the scope of Nefio somehow, but at least you and I don't think we want to do that. I think we want to
Yes.
participate
Yes.
in service assurance. We don't want to solve service assurance using
Yeah.
Nefio.
Yeah.
Uh, we're not trying to take business from companies that do that. So I think we can. Yeah, I think everybody is hungry to move into real concrete details. I think we've been discussing a lot
Yes.
of kind of theory and high level things for a while.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
we're ready to jump into actual stories and see which one sticks and which one doesn't, which the community
Mhm.
likes and which one doesn't.
And I would like to mention that I really like the idea where we talk about different assurance loop working on different layer. and we need to coordinate it. I think that would be really interesting to work on. If
Yeah,
we are
yeah.
able to. Yeah.
Yeah, I really want to do a self-healing scenario. That's one I'm interested in
Yeah.
at the lowest level. But the question always is, what is the data showing that it's unhealthy, right?
Yeah, right.
So we have various low-hanging fruit, easy stuff that already exists in Kubernetes. For example, we can find out if a pod crashed.
Yeah.
But honestly, those are kind of maybe too easy, right? Because
Yes,
in a way,
yes.
Kubernetes solves that for you. It will just restart the pod, and then you can just send an alert. But it would be nice to have a scenario that we actually do something that Kubernetes can't do by itself. So we show that we have some sort of special capability that we can add through Nefio. So yeah, I think we can start brainstorming ideas.
Exactly. Yeah. Sure. I'll try to sketch some slide. Let's see that if we debate on it and come up with some more details. Sure.
Sounds like a great idea.
Okay.
Oh, I see Kieran has joined. Yeah, Kieran, it seems like canceling the meeting today. Some key stakeholders couldn't make it, so.
I heard there's some event on in the US somewhere. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks everybody. We'll continue talking on Slack.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone. I'll share some details over the Slack, or I'll try to come up with the more details, and let's try to join next week and discuss in more details. And yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.